Digital marketing refers to the promotion of products, services, or brands through various digital channels and platforms, such as social media, search engines, websites, email, and mobile applications. It is an essential aspect of modern business strategies as it allows companies to reach a wider audience, engage with customers, and drive conversions. In 2024, the digital marketing landscape will continue to evolve, and businesses must adapt to the latest trends and tools to stay competitive. Here's a comprehensive guide to the best digital marketing tools for beginners. 1. Google Analytics. This free tool helps you analyze website traffic, track user behavior, and measure the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns. 2. Google Search Console, a free service that allows you to monitor your website's performance in Google search results and identify areas for improvement. 3. Google Ads, an advertising platform that enables businesses to display ads on Google's search engine results pages and partner websites. 4. Hootsuite, a social media management tool that helps you schedule, publish, and analyze content across multiple platforms. 5. Canva, a user-friendly graphic design platform for creating visual content like social media posts, infographics, and presentations. 6. Ahrefs, a comprehensive SEO toolset that helps you analyze your website's performance, monitor your competitors, and optimize your content for search engines. 7. MailChimp, a popular email marketing platform that allows you to create, send, and track email campaigns. 8. SEMrush, an all-in-one digital marketing suite that provides insights into SEO, PPC, content marketing, and social media. 9. Buffer. Similar to Hootsuite, Buffer helps you manage and schedule posts across various social media platforms. 10. HubSpot, an inbound marketing and sales software that offers tools for blogging, social media, email marketing, and more. 11. BuzzSumo, a content research and analysis tool that helps you discover popular topics, monitor brand mentions, and identify influencers. 12. Google Trends, a free service that allows you to explore and compare trending search queries over time. 13. Moz, a comprehensive SEO toolset that includes keyword research, link building, and on-page optimization features. 14. Trello, a project management tool that helps you organize and collaborate on marketing tasks with your team. 15. Grammarly, a writing assistant that ensures your content is free from grammatical errors and improves readability. Remember, the key to successful digital marketing lies in understanding your target audience, setting clear goals, and consistently creating valuable and engaging content. These tools can help you streamline your efforts and make the most of your marketing budget.